Here we got a 2015 Ram Crew Cab Express, 58,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in blue. Actually, two owner with a clean Carfax in blue. Nice looking electric blue truck here. Got the blackout look to it with the blacked out Ram badge, as you can see in the center of the crosshair grille with the black honeycomb behind. You can see it has the low rise bug shield there. You got integrated fogs with halogen headlamps. As we continue around here to the side, you can see we got the black alloy wheels. We also got brand new tires all the way around. You can also see brand new shiny brake rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Looking in through the passenger side front seat, you can see full bench seat, console in between, 40/20/40 with fold down console. Gives you 6 passenger capacity, which is nice. Otherwise, charcoal on black dash, carpeting, door panels. Also want to show you that inspection report that I spoke of. And as you can see, as we look, brand new tires all the way around, light new brakes all the way around. We really do try to recondition these vehicles to the best as possible. We want to give you a light new alternative at used car price. And you can see as we look into the back, you got all kinds of leg, hip, and shoulder room for the rear occupants here. You also have the louvers there in the center console, allow the airflow back, keep the rear occupants as comfortable as the front. Say brand new tires all the way around. We do have a splash liner here, so I can't show you the frame rail, but there's no rust issues on this truck on the undercarriage. We do have the chrome exhaust tips in the bumper. Like I say, we got the blacked out badges all the way around. We do have the tow package here with the integrated trailer. We do have the backup camera. We do have a spray and bed liner, as you can see. Fixed glass, no rear slider on the back. Again, nice new tires. Good look from this side as well. On the driver's side, we're coming now. As you can see, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And then as we look in through the driver's side, manual adjustment on all the seats. We do have classic positioning of the locks, windows, and mirrors here on the door panel. Also want to show you, we always promise 2 keys. You can see both of those here with the integrated key fob. Let's go ahead and hop into the truck, show you what else we got. And we'll start it up here and get the exact miles. I think I said 58,000. I believe it's 55. I could be wrong here. Let's see what we got. I know it's in the 50s. 55.8. It's only 55,000 original miles. And you can see we do have minor damage here on the facts and 2 owners, as I said. So let's go ahead and take a peek at that and see what we got. So as you can see, the minor incident here was to the left rear. And when they classify it as minor, typically, it looks like we have another one here on the right rear. So that one was on just before Christmas on 2019. And this one that I'm going to show you was the following year, right around December as well. So December is when it all happened. But again, minor to moderate, and usually all that means is maybe a body panel scratched, dented, or replaced, but nothing structural, and in good shape, checked out through our department. Let's go ahead and continue the tour here. We do have the automatic headlamp control, which push button for fogs. We do have the dimmer switch here with your cargo light button. We also got your intermittent wiper washers. We got your control pad here for your center display. You can see right now we have it on fuel economy. You also can pick your vehicle information. There you see tire pressure monitoring, trans temperature, oil temperature, all your gauges, oil life, battery voltage, pretty much anything you want here. And then you have your tripometers, messages, different ways to set up the screen. These are all controlled with this pad. Cruise control is on the right. Got your standard AM, FM satellite radio, electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case, climate controls below that with the ability to shut off your traction control or put the vehicle in tow haul mode. Do have 3 large cup holders here. We also got your connectivity in the center console. You can see USB, auxiliary, and another 12-volt power supply. We got auto dim on the rear view mirror here. We do not have mirrored or lit vanities on either the driver or the, we do have a mirror on the passenger side, just not the driver. So let's go ahead and check out the engine. Hood release is right here. See, we got the Hemi engine, 5.7 liter displacement. Tried and true, been used in Ram products for a long time. See, no exhaust leaks or fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. All your essential check and fill points are denoted with these yellow caps and dipstick handles. Make it easy to navigate under the hood. As you can see, a very clean and well-maintained engine. The truck runs very, very well. Let's go ahead and get into the last part of the video here. Now, I explained to you brand new tires, light new brakes all the way around. Also showed you the audit history report. We had 2 minor incidences, December 19 and 20. So the last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. Just going to walk the truck, show you any, any minor imperfections. Now, like here you see a couple little stone chips right there above the driver's door. Other than a few stone chips, that's all we should find. A little tiny dent right there behind that door handle. But we do our best to, like I say, recondition these vehicles. Thought we might have had a scratch up there. It looks good. To like new, if possible. You can see, other than that little dent, there's no other dents here on the bedside. The bumper's in good shape, which a lot of times, you got a little scratch here we touched up. But a lot of times you're going to find damage on a truck on either the bedsides or the tailgate or rear bumper area. Obviously, people hooking up to trailers or loading and unloading cargo from the bed. But as you can see, both these bedsides clean as a pin. Bumper and tailgate, other than that scratch, look very nice also. Really looks nice in electric blue with the blacked out look. Has the tint to the windows. And then on the bumper cover here, you're going to have a couple of stone chips, a little bit of bug damage, very unavoidable. But I'll just pan across quickly here, show you we do have a couple chips there. Now the bug shield helped the hood a little. Don't really notice a couple little chips there, but got one there. All in all, guys, this one fits the bill. Really nice, low mileage for the year at only 55,000 on a 15. Looks like it might even have a little suspension lift to it, maybe 2-inch leveling kit there. Excellent, good looking, sharp truck, well maintained, new tires. Does still have, might still have a little bit of the remaining powertrain warranty transferable from Ram. Do talk to the sales department about that. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online, www.allthingsautomotive.com, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.